Find the area of the given quadrilateral. Now let's look at this figure. We have a quadrilateral. Given the sides, it's not a parallelogram. There's nothing special except that we have a 60-degree and a 45-degree angle given to us. So now what we could do in this type of problem is we can divide this problem into two sections. If we draw the diagonal from one vertex, this is vertex C and vertex A, what we're doing is we're forming two triangles. Triangle number 1 and triangle number 2. So now, notice that in triangle number 1 as well as triangle number 2, we have two sides and the angle between them given. So what we can do here is that we find the area of triangle number 1 and find the area of triangle number 2 and then add the area together. Now the next problem would be, well, our options are all hairy with radicals in them, and so that's why we cannot just grab our calculator and punch everything on the calculator. Now, but okay, you should realize that you're looking at a 60-degree angle and 45-degree angle, which should be easy. Okay, quick review. Okay, sine 60 degrees. Sine 60 degrees is equal to what? Square root of 3 over 2. Sine 45, we got that already. If you forgot that, okay, go back to the previous video. Sine 45 degrees is equal to square root of 2 over 2. Keep that in mind. That's what we're gonna use. So let's first attack triangle number 1. So let's work on triangle number 1 first. In triangle number 1, the area is equal to 1/2 times A times B times sine C. So we have our A, that's our A, that's our B, that's our sine C. It's gonna be area is equal to 1/2 times A is 10, B is 12, sine 60 degrees. 60 degrees. There you go. So now let's do some simplifying. 1/2 of 10 is 5. It's gonna be 5 times 12 times, well, you know what is sine 60. Sine 60 degrees is square root of 3 over 2. Square root of 3 over 2. Let's further simplify. This is going to be 5 times 12 is 60. Okay, times the square root of 3 over 2. You can cancel. Okay, it's going to be 60 divided by 2 is 30. So you have 30 square root of 3 square centimeters. That's for the first triangle. Now let's do the next triangle, that is triangle number 2. In triangle number 2, the area is equal to 1/2 times A times B times sine C. Now, but in this case, our A is, let's say this is our A, this is our B, that's our sine C. Remember, angle C is just the angle in between A and B. You don't have to memorize a lot of things. Just be smart. Alright, it's gonna be equal to, let's substitute 1/2 times A is 18 times B is 14. How do you know which one is A, which one is B? It doesn't matter. A and B can interchange values for as long as they are the sides that include the angle. It's gonna be times sine 45 degrees, which we already know. So now let's simplify 1/2 of 18, that's 9, times 9 times 14 times, well, sine 45 degrees is the square root of 2 over 2. Okay, Let's again simplify. 14 and 2, that's gonna be 7. It's gonna be 9 times 7 times square root of 2. So we have 9 times 7 is 63. Square root of 2, no longer do anything with that, it's gonna be square centimeters. So now the total area, okay, the total area is gonna be, okay, total area is equal to, well, area 1 plus area 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. It's gonna be area 2 is equal to, well, you have, okay, let's do this right, 30 square root of 3 plus, it's gonna be 63 square root of 2. All of that is the square, oops, not inches, centimeters. Square centimeters. So that being said, the answer is not A, the answer is B. That's the answer. All right, so I hope you're getting the hang of using the area formula using the sine ratio, which is as easy as ABC.